Final trading day of the month, up a little bit in the main portfolios. 50K portfolio up about $400. And the 200K portfolio up around $300. Two open positions on the ES still. Last trading day of August. Glad to be done with August. August has been a challenging month, a more challenging month on the year, and a down month overall for many of the portfolios. And we'll have the latest results posted later today for the month. We start the new month of September tomorrow, and we have Labor Day holiday coming up. And glad to be in a new month. Sometimes we see months that are very difficult and the tone of the market changes. Markets are sometimes random in the summer, and they haven't been as random in the last few years, but this August was a bit sloppy and challenging. So let's go over the trades on the day. ESR counter trends. These gave us trouble last week, but they were profitable today. Didn't hit their profit targets. Markets did not extend much to the upside. Had a lot of strategies buy this dip, and then the market just kind of sat around all day, rallied a little bit in the close, got a little bit of profit. It's hard to trade this sometimes because you got all these positions in the market, can go either way. And last day of the month, it rallied into the close, plus 300 on the ESR counter trend 2 V2 and 1M, plus 250 on the 5M, and plus 475 on the 15-minute. ESR counter trend 2 V2 1M plus 325 plus 275 and plus 475 on the 5M and 15M, and then ESR counter trend 2 plus 250. So small gains in those. Cobra CT3 plus 225. 60-minute breakout still has an open position plus 8750. Adaptive moving average plus 6250. Night Trader down minus 550, still has an open position. AT 2019 minus 11250. Asia 4 long. Took this trade. I'm not trading this one right now. Let's see. In right here, right around break even on the trade. Just not a lot of gains or losses today in these strategies, except in gold was a tough market. We had some losses in gold that were very frustrating. VSD long only minus 725. Night Trader VSD minus 550. NQ strategies, ESR counter trend 2. On the NQs, it also did well. So ESR counter trend 2s did well today. We don't trade as many of these on the NASDAQ, go figure. But the NASDAQ ESR counter trend NQs, which are these set of strategies right here, you have the V2M, which has a 1-minute, a 5-minute, and 15-minute version. Minus 825, plus 475, plus 475. Then you just have the regular V2 without the M. They're correlated, so they're correlated in plus 475, plus 475, plus 475, and then the regular ESR counter trend 2 plus 775, and then AT 2020 got a break-even stop minus 25, and stock index swing NQ plus 475. So we stopped trading this one, and it's had 2 winners since on the 200K portfolio, but still. I'm glad we're not trading that strategy, even though the last 2 trades were winners. Overall, it has underperformed the last 2 years. 60-minute breakout. This one has done well since we stopped trading it, but it was the last trade today was a loser. So around $10 today. Yesterday it was up 2,400. The day before that it was up 1475. So we missed out on that. Since we switched on the 200K portfolio, minus 760 on 60-minute breakout B. VSD long only, minus 1345. VSD long short, minus 2525. EVP1 really struggling here. Market's choppy, down 1445 today. Viper, minus 625 on the day. Crude oil, we had no trades in crude oil. Quiet market. Natural gas, we had no trades in natural gas after losing yesterday on these pullbacks, and then we got stopped out on this pullback trying to buy the dip. The dip was bigger, and then had a rally back today, but then it pulled back again. So RBOB, no trades. Gold was a frustrating market to trade. It started out positive with our ESR counter trend 3 from yesterday that held, hit its profit target. Got in again, looked like it was going to be a nice trade, and it just rolled over, spiked down, and stopped us out. ESR counter trend 3B did the same thing. It gets out at the end of the day. It bought this, looks like a really nice trade forming, and came close to its profit target. It would have been, yeah, it was real close to the profit target. So that was, it would have been at 22.40, and it came up here to, the high was 21.90. So it was, you know, 0.5 away from its profit target, slammed down, stopped us out, and then came back. So just indicative of the type of month we're having. And then Cobra Gold got short down here on that stop run, and then the market reversed and that stopped out. So gold was a very difficult day, minus 60 on ESR counter trend 3 when you count the winner and the loser, then minus 825 on the B version, and then minus 625 on at Cobra Gold. So frustrating day in gold. It feels like a stop running type market. No trades in silver, copper minus 250, euro currency minus 243.75, soybeans no trades on the day, optional, and old strategies that we track, our 120 strategies. We'll have the latest results updated in the portfolio and on the website here in the next couple of days for the month of August. Glad that the month of August is over and that we are moving forward into September. Like I said, I've seen months where it's just really difficult, and it seems like the market is pushing against you on every trade. And then, you know, a new month comes and it just, the tone of the market changes. It's just one of those summer feels where light volume and feels a little bit manipulated as far as you're putting on trades, and then the market goes against you and stops you out and reverses. So, but up day to day to finish the month, 3 up days in a row on the 200K portfolio, just a little bit though, not big gains, a little bit of a bounce off that worst case drawdown, and we'll have more discussion on the portfolio results when we have the portfolio calculator updated. Those are the trades on the day for August the 31st, 2021 to close out the month of August.